Welcome to class today, geometry students, on this Thursday, the 16th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready to take a quiz and work hard in class today. First of all, turn your homework in from yesterday, please. Stop, make sure your name is on it, and please turn this in. Incompletes, let's see what we have here. Test by today. So Landon, Molly, test by today. Molly, I'm getting older. I forget. You might have taken it yesterday. You might not have. Either way's fine. But if you took it yesterday, then just ignore this. If you didn't, then Landon and Molly test by today. Guys, this must be turned in by tomorrow, or it will be a permanent 0. This was given on Monday. Due on Wednesday, and I reminded you Tuesday it was due on Wednesday, okay? All right, moving on. If you're in the room like today, on the day of a test or a quiz, you will take it. So everyone in the room today will take the quiz. Today, we're going to take a quiz and take notes. The video today is about another special triangle. Remember yesterday, we looked at 45, 45, 90 triangles, okay? Please do not confuse these two special triangles. Today, we're going to look at a triangle called a 30, 60, 90 triangle. All right. Today's material is a little tougher than yesterday's. Please work hard. Here's your teaching video. We're going to start it at 2:58 and end it at 22:55. Now, one of you had Mrs. Duke email me about Friday's assignments, okay? So I think one of you wanted to get a head start on that. So give me 1 second here. On Friday, all we're going to do is work on homework. 552, 11 through 28, all right, and 30 through 35. So today, we're just taking notes. Tomorrow, we're just working on homework, okay? So there we go, all right? That'll be Friday's homework. So for the student who want to work ahead, there you go. All right. Moving on. Your tests are graded and entered into Sycamore. Really low grades, to be honest with you, but your tests are entered into Sycamore. Let's go over today's quiz. So please pause the video, get a copy of the quiz on your desk, and then restart the video. Okay, first of all, I want to be really clear what I expect from numbers 1, 2, and 3. I want you to give 2 answers. One answer should be a decimal, all right, and one answer should be in radical form. Now, would you stop and listen? I'm going to explain to you what I mean if you just listen carefully, okay? Pretend I gave you the square root of 20, all right? Now, that's the same thing as 2 square root of 5. So there, that's called a radical answer. So one of your answers is taking the problem I've given you and you simplify it so that it has a radical. So one of your answers will look something like this. Now, when you take the square root of 20 and type into a calculator, you get a decimal. You get 4.47. That would be your other answer. So do you see what I'm looking for? One answer, you type into your calculator. The other answer, you simplify. Okay? So, that's what I want for numbers 1, 2, and 3. Now, on number 3, you've got to multiply the 2 radicals together and then write your 2 answers. Now, notice numbers 4 and 5 are 45, 45, 90 triangles. So on number 4, find the length of the missing leg. And number 5, find the length of the missing hypotenuse. All right? Now, Mrs. Duke, I want all cell phones, Apple Watches, all of those will be on the desk off to the side. If anyone refuses to do that, you let me know. I will deal with it. I'm telling you now as your teacher, that's how we're going to do this. And by the way, if you guys think it's personal, you're wrong. Algebra 2 is doing this in my class. Algebra 1 is doing, or excuse me, Geometry Track 1 is doing the same thing. Ask them. They'll tell you, okay? So it's nothing against you guys, all right? So phones on the desk. And Mrs. Duke, let me know if someone claims to not have a phone, and we'll go from there, okay? And that is it. Um, please get to work on your quiz and notes. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.